Gower College Swansea, pro-direct football academy. Gower College Swansea is home to Wales's first pro-direct football academy, a programme that blends full-time education with a genuine professional level football environment. Players train 12 to 14 hours a week with UEFA licensed coaches, backed by strength and conditioning, analysis support and competitive weekly fixtures. The Academy continues to produce outstanding achievements. They became Wales's 7-a-side national champions, English College's Premier League champions, and reached the British playoff final, placing them among the top 2 under-19 college teams in the UK. Individually, players are thriving too, with squad members earning professional contracts as well as multiple representatives for Welsh schools and Welsh colleges. The Academy is fast becoming a powerhouse of future football talent.